A distant sound, unmistakable, mechanical, persistent. Not a jet, not a missile, something far simpler. A flying object that costs less than a used car, forcing systems worth millions to respond. This is the story of the Shahed 136 and the logic behind its design. At first glance, the Shahed 136 doesn't look advanced. No stealth shaping, no jet propulsion, no visible complexity, just a compact airframe built around one principle: efficiency. Developed in Iran and introduced in the early 2020s, the system reflects a different design philosophy, not to dominate through technology, but through cost and scale. Its triangular delta wing structure provides stable flight over long distances, with an estimated range reaching up to 2,000 kilometers. Cruising at speeds of roughly 150 to 190 kilometers per hour, it is not fast, but it doesn't need to be. Weighing approximately 200 kilograms and carrying a warhead estimated between 30 to 50 kilograms, the system is designed for precision impact rather than sheer explosive power. At the rear, a small piston engine drives a propeller, simple, reliable, and widely available. Unlike traditional unmanned systems, this platform is not designed to return. It belongs to a category known as loitering munition, a system that can remain airborne, search, and strike in a single mission. But the defining characteristic is not how it flies, it's how much it costs. Each unit is estimated at around $20,000, a fraction of most modern aerial systems. Because intercepting a single unit can require systems such as the Patriot or the Iron Dome, where a single interceptor missile may cost anywhere from tens of thousands to over $1 million per launch. This creates a clear imbalance, a low-cost platform forcing a high-cost response. From an engineering perspective, every decision supports this model: minimal electronics, simplified navigation, and accessible materials. And when deployed in numbers, this imbalance scales. Multiple units launched in sequence, not relying on complexity, but on repetition. Over time, this becomes pressure, not from a single strike, but from sustained cost. In modern warfare, effectiveness is no longer defined by technological superiority alone, but how efficiently that technology can be used. The Shahed 136 is not the most advanced system in the sky, but it may be one of the most deliberate. Because today, the defining question is no longer who builds the most complex machines, but who can sustain their use. If you're interested in the engineering behind modern systems, consider subscribing to the Industrial Archive.